few weeks every year, this quiet harbour turns into chaos, and we saw it. Boats fighting for space, whales circling all around the bay, and birds diving everywhere. We had no idea Lamberts Bay would be like this. We are shocked. Grape picking, African limousine, waterfalls, birds' nests. We're traveling around South Africa from the bottom to the top. Cindy and Graham explore. Enjoy!
So what do you see here, Cindy?
So there's a view of Bird Island there. There's tons of ships, boats out there waiting for the Snoek. How many did you count last time?
I think I counted about 48 or something out there.
All with their lights on, they slept out there.
Out there.
There, jumped again. Okay, guys, by Jaunti. The van's called Jaunti. Jaunti means you go on a short trip.
Some fishing boats. Looking out of the harbour and also looking into the harbour at all the old boats. There's a major frenzy at the harbour with boats. Plenty coming in and plenty going out. You need a traffic cop. A lot of trailers all over, loaded, all boats out. Entrance here, lots of cars coming in and out. Small boats all lining up there just to offload their catch for the day. Here are a lot of others just parking in a queue to do the same thing. Cleaning up, done and dusted, ready for the next haul. Okay, like a squinny though. Nah, itu. Nah, kom nou. Sharp. Hey!
Cleaning all the snook here.
Hier is die Mati, is dit snoek hierdie? Hier is die baie, ne? Sien jy ken daai job, ne? Doen al jare. Hey, mooi man.
Ja, mevrouw.
Yeah, they're in and out. All around, look, they're trying to get their boats out here,
It's a big business.
And they said for how long?
7 days, but they're here for about 3 months.
Yeah.
Wow.
Exciting time in Lamberts Bay.
Is
But they said they haven't been here for months and months. Well, I don't know how long. Look at that, that's fantastic.
And there's all the boats and ships out there waiting for the fish. Crazy. Not a nice day today, it's rainy and misty. These are filters.
Oh, look, yes.
This is filter and that's it.
Wow. Wow. Snook, freshly caught from the sea. And look, he's cutting
28
it.
years experience, this man.
Wow. Wow.
Wat from oupa sê. Né? Goed, sal moet jou oupa noem, goed. Are you a gata?
I'm a cutter, yeah.
No, not a kata, a gata.
Cutter.
That's what they say for fish, gutting. Yes, ja, het casino spring hierdie goed af.
Ja. Voor die baie nare mooi.
Nee. Maar weet je wat, ik weet dat is die beste in een lang tijd, maar
Ja, in 'n lang tyd wat rammel by. Ja. Sos dit nou ja. Snoek.
beautiful, man, beautiful.
Hi guys, you want to be on the video? Tell me your names. What's your name?
Campervan, Davids.
Griffin
My
David.
name is Cameron Pong.
Okay,
My name is Dominic Gunn.
okay. And they want to be on Jaunti's, well, it's called Cindy and Grace Explore. We're traveling South Africa. And so, yeah. So what do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a filmer.
A filmer. Okay, that sounds fantastic. And you?
Chef.
A chef. Oh, that's fantastic. Well, you must work hard towards that, eh? You can see we're old people and now we're retired. So we're traveling. But yeah, so good to have you on. So you must look out for yourselves, eh? And show all your buddies. And you must tell them to subscribe. Tell everybody to subscribe.
Subscribe!
So here's a gentleman, hello. He's bought snook for 100 Rand.
Yes.
Wow, they've all been fishing out here. Wow.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keeps rolling on.
There's a crow hovering.
With Snoek on the run, another day is another good day for fishing. So off they go.
There, jump the gate. Look at all the fishing boats waiting to come in. Yeah, that's why I looked. Thousands of birds.
There they go.
Wow. There was two of them. Wow, babe. fish off. Oh, wow. He's swimming amongst those fish. Oh! There was 2 of them.
We've come to the end of the video, and this is where we say go well, go shelf. And we hope you enjoyed the video. We had a whale of a time with it. Just to keep the fun. But we did, and we'd like to thank you for your support in the time that we've had these videos going, and that you'd still subscribe, like, share, comment. We're going to be looking at if we're going to still do these videos. It's not really beneficial for us. What we'd like you to do is comment and tell us if you think we should carry on or leave. We've enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure for us to do it. But somehow it's not working out like we did planned. But we will still be doing videos. Yes, we will still have videos going on. But we'd like to know your comments, and through your comments what you think we should do.
Sorry, the whales are catching my eye. They're right here in the bay by us where we
So
overlooking.
anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. So let's end it there. Have a nice one.
God bless.
God bless God.
Keep well.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.